MICROCHIP Technologies' PolarFire Icicle Kit is the RISC-V-based system-on-chip FPGA development platform for the PolarFire SoC FPGA, a low-power, low-cost, RISC-V-based SoC FPGA. This kit is part of MICROCHIP's Vector Blocks Accelerator software development kit that enables software developers to program a trained neural network without prior FPGA expertise, eliminating the associated learning curve, allowing for a faster time to market. The PolarFire Icicle Kit can be used to evaluate the 5-core Linux-capable RISC-V microprocessor subsystem with real-time execution, low-power capabilities, and a rich set of peripherals that come with the PolarFire SoC FPGA. This kit features onboard LPDDR4, QSPI, and eMMC flash memory to run Linux off the shelf. A host of wired connectivity options and interfaces are also included. The PolarFire SoC is ideally suited for secure, reliable, and power-efficient compute across a wide range of applications.